When you're giving equity to employees or other service providers, you are going to have different obligations than if you gave them phantom equity or just had a bonus program in place. It's really important that you understand what that means. When it's just the founders of the company, you get to act in the best interest of the founders and you don't need to think about other people. But once you start giving equity to other people, you actually have to do what's in the best interest of all stockholders. These are what are called fiduciary duties. You have things like duty of loyalty, duty of care, duty of oversight. You'll want to talk to your lawyer to fully understand what does all that mean. The second thing is that your employees are going to be able to receive documents to the company, like tax returns, for example, records of all stockholders and things like that. These are provided for by statute. And so clients sometimes will call me and say, do I really have to give my employees these list of all stockholders? And the answer is yes, there's nothing we can do about it. It's in the statute. Third, people that receive equity in companies oftentimes have a right to vote. It is possible to provide for non-voting equity. And again, you want to talk to your lawyer if you want to make that change. Fourth, you're going to want your stockholders to sign either an operating agreement if they're members of an LLC or a stockholders agreement if they're stockholders in a corporation that puts restrictions on transfers of those shares. You don't want employees to be able to start transferring their shares or selling their shares in your company to other people. There are other things that will be included in that document, like drag-along rights, tag-along rights, rights of first refusal. Again, you want to talk to a lawyer to understand what all these terms mean. Fourth, the securities laws. Whenever you are dealing with a grant of any type of security, the securities laws apply, and that's both on a federal and state level. So you want to talk to your lawyer to make sure that you comply, because if you don't, these people will have a right to rescind that transaction, and that can be really important. I think that covers everything on this topic. Thanks.